All right, Srinivasa. I hope I haven't butchered your name. Um, I've been trying to create ads for skincare specialists here in Hyderabad. Okay, ads getting rejected due to some violations. Yeah, so you will need to go through the Google's policies, and I think there may be some ingredients or some things which you have put on your landing page which Google will not allow. So go through your uh, Google Ads support center, submit an appeal for a review, and make sure that you are in line with their policy, and then it will get approved. No problem.